On the day when everyone is going to turn their backs on you, when the boys are nowhere to be seen, when your mates are nowhere to be seen, nobody can help you on that day. Even parents will turn their back on you. On that day, even a mother who has an only child, and in this world she will do anything for that child. She will commit crimes to protect that child, but on the day of judgment she will turn her back on him. And then on that day, there will only be one, and he will say, "Come here, my child, come here, my child, I am here for you." माँ जब इकलौते को छोड़े आ कह के बुलाते हैं, आ कह के बुलाते हैं। सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम।